Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving volume of a square pyramid. Okay, so the formula of finding the square pyramid is volume equals 1/3 times base times height. If given yung base area at saka yung height. Another formula, volume equals 1/3 times s squared times height. And volume equals s times height divided by 3. Okay, so example number 1 tayo. Find the volume of a square pyramid if its base edge is 9 meters and its height is 14 meters. Okay, tingnan natin yung figure. So, yung height niya is 14 meters. Tapos, yung base edge is or 9 meters yung S. Okay, yung base edge. So, yung solution natin dito, we will use this formula. Volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times, saan ako galing ng 1/2? 1/3 times S squared times height. Okay, so substitute natin yung value ng S at saka yung height. So, 1/3 is equal to 9 kasi 9 meters yan. Then yung height is 14 meters. Or you can use volume equals 1/3 times 9 square times 14. Ganon din yan. Then, i-simplify natin. Volume equals 1/3 times simplify natin yung 9 square, so that is equal to 81. Okay? Times 14. Then, 1/3 times, i-multiply natin si 81 kay 14, or 14 times 81, that is equal to 1,134. Then, divide natin by 3. Or 1,134 multiply by 1, then divide by 3. So, that is equal to 378 meter cube. Therefore, the volume of a square pyramid is equal to 378 meter cube. Okay? So, number 2. So, find the volume of a square pyramid if its height is 12 inches and its base edge is 7 inches. Okay? So, yung figure natin, yung height niya is 12 inches. Tapos yung base niya is, yung base edge is 7 inches. So again, the same formula. Volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times S squared times height. So then substitute natin yan, yung value ng S at saka height. So volume equals 1/3 times yung S is 7. Tapos yung height is 12. We have to simplify. So, 1/3 equals yung 7 squared, that is 49, because 7 times 7 is 49. Kopyahin natin yung times 12. Simplify natin 49 times 12, that is 588. Okay? Multiply natin sa 1, then divide by 3. That is equal to 196 inches cube. Therefore, the volume of a square pyramid is 196 inches cube. Number 3. A square pyramid has a base area of 81 feet square and a height of 7 feet. So, determine the volume of the pyramid. So, yung figure natin dito, yung height is 7 feet. Tapos yung base area, ito yung B, di ba? Is 81 feet square. So, we have to use this formula. Volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times base area times height. So, i-substitute natin. Volume equals 1/3, tapos yung value ng base area is 81. Then, yung height is 7. Then, simplify or i-multiply 81 times 7. That is 567 times 1/3. Okay, so 1 times 567 is 567 divided by 3. So, volume is equal to 189 feet cube. Therefore, the volume of a square pyramid is equal to 189 feet cube. Next, number 4, the roof of a house is in the form of a square or square pyramid if its base edge is 6 feet and the volume is 120 cubic feet or cube, okay? Feet cube. How high is the roof? So we will find the value of the height. Okay? So given, ang volume is 120 feet cube. Okay, then yung base edge is 6 feet. So you have to use this formula. One volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times s squared times height. So ang volume is given, that is 120 feet cube times 1/3. Tapos yung s is 6, or yung base edge is 6 feet square. Huwag kalimutan yung square. Tapos yung h, yun ang hanapin natin. Okay? Simplify natin yung 6 square. So that is 120 equals 1/3 times 36. Tapos times height. Okay, dito tayo sa taas. 120. I-multiply natin yung 1 times 36 is 36. Then divide by 3. So times height. So 120 equals, divide natin yan. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, then divide natin both sides by 12. So ang naiwan dyan, h na lang. Okay, so 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10 feet. Therefore, the height of the rectangular pyramid is 10 feet. Okay, so ito yung mga activity natin. So, pakisulat na lang in one whole sheet of paper. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang yung topic natin. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At pakifollow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.